So welcome to our today's video. So we will be discussing about ASK modulation using op-amp. So our aim is to design and stimulate a level detector circuit using an op-amp comparator, analyze its behavior and apply it in real-world application. Objective is to understand the principle of op-amp and the application in comparator circuits. So talking about amplitude shift keying, that is ASK, is a digital modulation technique that uses an op-amp to represent digital data as variations in amplitude of carrier waves. So few real-time applications of ASK are low power RF communications. So ASK modulation is often used in low power RF systems like wireless data communications between sensors in IoT device and remote control systems. Op-amp circuits can amplify and modulate the signal from transmission, making them effective for short-range communications. Data transmission over optical fibers. ASK modulation is used in optical communications where data is transmitted via light intensity. op-amp helps in this condition. Infrared communication system. Remote control devices like TV remotes and IR sensors use ASK modulation to transmit data in form of light pulses. An op-amp circuit can be used to generate and amplify these ASK modulated pulses. Fourth is the wireless garage door openers and RFID systems. This system frequently use ASK modulation at low frequency, that is 125 kHz or 13.56 MHz in RFID systems. op-amp helps in modulating these signals for reliable transmission and reception, enhancing the range and stability of ASK-based communication in this application. So, research and preparation, level detector application using op-amps. A level detector is a circuit that monitors an input signal and detects when the signal exceeds or falls below a predefined threshold voltage. A typical use case for level detector is in ASK modulation. Now, ASK modulation is a form of amplitude modulation where amplitude of a carrier signal is varied to encode binary data, where 0 is represented by low amplitude and 1 is represented by high amplitude signal. So key requirements for ASK modulation are the threshold level. This is the level at which the detector switches between detecting a 1 or 0. The threshold should be set so that noise or signal variation around the baseline do not false detection. Op-amp or comparator circuits. A comparator is ideal for this task since it has a clear low or high output depending on the input signals relationship with the threshold voltage. The comparator will compare the incoming signal, example, the amplitude of the ASK modulated wave, to the reference threshold level and output a digital signal representing the decoded data. So this was all about the theoretical part of ASK. So this is the circuit of the ASK modulation and the simulation which we have done in the multisim. These are the output of the simulation. You can see where these lines, square waveforms, that are the input and other are the output waveforms. You can see that when the input is 1, we get no output, as and when input is 0, we get output, but in actual it must be inverse. This is because we have connected the wire to the inverting terminal of the op-amp. So this all, thank you.